Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage SEAT, and you join me today on a beautiful sunny day. So I'm going to show you around a stunning 2024 SEAT Ibiza that's just arrived with us in stock. Now this one is finished in metallic black and is powered by the 115 6-speed manual gearbox. Now let's get inside and show you what it's all about. Now, being an FR model, you've got these lovely sport seats with the red edging. That also is carried through into the heater vents and the stitching around the steering wheel. Now, both seats are height adjustable, so you've got space for 5 people really. There's ISOFIX points in the back, so you can put 2 ISOFIX car seats in the back, and you have 3 3-point seat belts. Now those back seats do fold forward, so you've got a 60-40 split seat option there as well. And even though the Ibiza is technically our smallest car in the range, it certainly doesn't have a small boot. Like all cars, it's grown over the years, but I say decent size that for what is classed as a super mini. Rear parking sensors are now standard, so that should help with any obstacles that you can't quite see when you're in the driving seat. And talking of the driving seat, I'm going to show you, and let's get inside and show you what it's all about. So the first thing you notice really is the navigation screen, which is just over 9 inches across, so it's a big touchscreen display, very easy to operate. So if you want to just sort of plug and play, jump in, listen to the radio, and that's about it, then that's absolutely fine. Or if you want to change the views, change the displays, change the functionality, then you can have that option as well. Plenty of driving assistance modes. Now the big thing nowadays is that a lot of cars have speed warning sensors. So what this will do is alert you to the speed that you're driving on the road that you're on, and if you do exceed it, it will give you a little nudge just to remind you to slow down. Everything has digital radios nowadays, Bluetooth hands-free, and this also has the compatibility to run Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, depending on what your preference is. Plenty of DAB stations, so you shouldn't get stuck to listen to anything on a longer journey. And then as you drop down, you've got dual zone climate control. So 1 temperature display for the driver's side and 1 temperature display for the passenger side. The nice thing about it is if you want to have individual settings, you can, or if you push the sync button, it goes back to what the driver had it set at. 2 USB-Cs as well, so for charging devices. You also have 4 different driving modes. That's the bottom button there, which if I push in that, you can see it allows you to change through from a normal to a slightly sportier mode to an individual setup, or one that's slightly more economical. You've also got rear parking sensors with a park display. So rather than just having the beeps that cars used to have, it will also give you an indication as to where the object is. Cruise control, that's a standard feature as well as this, what we call a digital dashboard. So it does allow you to change the view depending on what your preference, depending on how you like the important instruments displayed. Automatic headlights are standard, as well are electric windows all the way around with electric power folding function. Now this one also has full LED headlights, and having covered a ridiculously low mileage, this will be certain to not hang around. If we can offer you any help, please get in touch. Hope you like the video, and until the next one, thanks ever so much for watching, and if you like it, why not subscribe?